Unleashing the Beast, 2025 Range Rover Sport, power redefined. In the shadowed dawn of a mist-shrouded highway, where asphalt whispers secrets to the wind, the 2025 Range Rover Sport awakens like a predator from slumber. Its exterior is a symphony of sculpted aggression, a blade forged in British steel and unyielding resolve. Picture this, a low-slung silhouette, 194.7 inches of pure, taut muscle, stretching from prow to stern with a wheelbase of 115.1 inches that plants it firmly, defiantly, against the earth. The front fascia snarls with slim, predatory LED headlights, wraparound sentinels that pierce the gloom like daggers drawn in the dead of night. Flush door handles retract seamlessly, a sleight of hand that smooths the flanks into aerodynamic poetry, while the floating roofline arcs gracefully, evoking a panther mid-leap. At its core, 21-inch alloys gleam like obsidian claws, optional upgrades to 23-inch behemoths that grip the road with 275/45 R21 rubber, ready to devour miles or mud alike. But this is no mere facade, it's armored elegance. The stealth pack on dynamic SE trims cloaks it in Carpathian grey satin wrap, blacked-out trim devouring light, brake calipers shadowed in ebony, transforming the beast into a nocturnal phantom. Satin burnished copper accents on dynamic models flicker like embers in twilight, while matte graphite lettering etches its name into the ether. Rear haunches swell with purpose, quad exhaust tips exhaling thunder, and a panoramic sunroof frames the stars above, inviting the cosmos into your conquest. Ground clearance? Up to 8.4 inches on air suspension, rising to conquer terrains that would humble lesser machines. This exterior doesn't just turn heads, it commands submission, a rolling testament to design where form fuels fury. Step inside, and the world bends to your will. The cabin envelopes like a velvet glove over an iron fist, 20-way heated, ventilated, massaging Windsor leather seats cradle you in semi-aniline luxury. 22-way on autobiography thrones with winged headrests that whisper relief after battles won. Ebony or light cloud hues drape the expanse, perforated hides breathing with the rhythm of your pulse. Ambient lighting, 64 colors at your beck, pulses like a heartbeat, casting ethereal glows across open-pore wood veneers and tactile metals. At the helm, a 13.1-inch curved POV Pro touchscreen arcs like a portal to infinity, intuitive as instinct, syncing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with seamless sorcery. Below, a 14.5-inch digital driver display maps your dominion, while a Meridian surround sound system, up to 1,700 watts, throbs with bass that resonates in your bones. Cargo? 29 cubic feet behind the second row expands to 59 with seats folded flat, a vault for trophies from the hunt. Rear passengers recline in heated, power-reclining splendor, illuminated seatbelts glinting like jeweled harnesses. Clear sight rearview mirror dissolves pillars into clarity, and an integrated air purifier ensures every breath is pristine. This interior isn't space, it's sanctuary, where driver-centric ergonomics forge a bond unbreakable, every surface a caress of opulence that elevates the mundane to mythic. Yet true rapture ignites when the engine roars to life. 6 powertrains, each a chapter in vehicular scripture. The P360 Ingenium 3.0L inline-6 MHEV awakens with 355 horsepower and 369 lb-ft, turbocharged soul mated to a 48V mild hybrid that harvests braking energy like a thief in the night, smoothing shifts in an 8-speed automatic. It lunges 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds, tops 140 miles per hour, sips 18/24 mpg city/highway. Ascend to P400, 395 horsepower, 406 lb-ft, shaving acceleration to 5.2 seconds, velocity peaking at 150 miles per hour, efficiency holding 20 to 25 mpg, pure, responsive alchemy. Electrified fury calls in the P460e PHEV, 3.0 L6 wedded to a 105 kilowatts electric motor yields 454 horsepower, 487 lb-ft, 53-mile EV range for silent stalks through urban jungles, 0 to 60 in 5.0 seconds, towing 6,614 pounds. The P550e escalates to 543 horsepower. 487 lb-ft, 53-mile EV range for silent stalks through urban jungles, 0 to 60 in 5.0 seconds, towing 6,614 pounds. The P550e escalates to 543 horsepower, 590 lb-ft apex torque, explosive, 4.7 seconds to 60, same electric whisper. For visceral thunder, the P534.4L twin-turbo V8 MHEV unleashes 523 horsepower, 553 lb-ft, rocketing to 60 in 4.3 seconds, 155 miles per hour summit, 16 to 23 mpg, hauling 7,716 pounds like Atlas Unchained. Crown it with SV's P635, 626 horsepower V8 Colossus, 553 lb-ft, 3.6 second blitz, raw dominion. Performance? It's symphonic savagery. All-wheel drive claws every surface, terrain response 2 in 2 at sand, snow, rock, adapting dynamics like a shapeshifter. Air suspension dances over potholes, yet in dynamic mode, it hunkers low, rear-wheel steering carving corners with scalpel precision, torque vectoring banishing understeer to oblivion. Adaptive cruise with steering assist pilots through tempests, while 600 lb-ft regenerative braking hauls from speed with grace. Off-road, wade 35.4 inches deep, climb 45-degree inclines, unflinching.